Are you struggling with your flashing lights or flashing beacons? Did you know there was 4 sets of lights and each one has a meaning behind it? In this video, I'm going to explain each color, give you visual clues, and I'm going to give you the possible questions and possible answers that may come up in the theory test. As I go along, I'm going to give you hints and tips along the way, which may be useful to you. So let's start with the yellow light. If you didn't know, the yellow light is for slow moving vehicles, a particular slow moving vehicle, not necessarily a slow moving driver, but a slow moving vehicle. So give you some examples. You have the snow plow. So obviously when it's spreading the salt, it's moving very slowly. The lights will be on. You need to find a way around it when safe to do so. You also have your road maintenance. When it's actually doing work on the roads, it will have its lights on to let you know it is slow moving. Another example of a slow moving vehicle, which you see all the time, is your dust carts or recycling vans. Obviously they're always slow and keep stopping at each house to empty the bins. So that's another example. The 2 typical examples they use in the theory test is tractor. So they show you the image of a tractor. Question, which one of these is slow moving? Obviously now you know it's tractor, slow moving, amber light. So that's one you would choose. Also a little tip for you, bonus. Another question is, which vehicle is not allowed on a motorway? And that answer will be a tractor. The common answer is double-decker bus for some reason, but it's a tractor. It's not allowed on the motorway. If it needs to be transported, it will be transported on the back of a lorry. But the most common one they show you is the mobility scooters. Believe it or not, these mobility scooters are allowed on the dual carriageway. So the question is, you are driving along a dual carriageway, you see a mobility scooter in front of you, how will it notify you it's slow moving? Now you know it's going to be an amber light. So now let's move on to the green light. The green lights are straightforward, very simple. Doctors' cars. They're normally your fast response units, gets to the patient, make them comfortable while the ambulance on its way. If they can deal with the patient there and then, they will do that. So green light is doctors' cars. Be very careful. The common answer on this is paramedics. It's not a paramedic answer, it's doctors' cars. Then we come to the blue light. The blue light is for emergency services only. Let me just repeat that. Blue light is for emergency services only. You're looking for one that is going to save a human life. So let me just explain why I'm stressing human life. Because when this question comes up, every pupil looks for the obvious one. You're looking for your ambulances. You're looking for your police cars. You're looking for your fire engines. But when those aren't there, that's when the people panic. They do give you 2 outside of the emergency services. So you just need to think a little bit outside the box. Which one saves a human life? The 2 common ones are bomb disposal units. And the other one is Coast Guards. So if you haven't got your common ones there, fire engines, police cars, ambulances, you're now looking for bomb disposal units or Coast Guards. Remember, look out for the one that saves a human life. That's the one you're going to pick. So I'm going to give you a little bonus tip. It comes up in a different disguise, not necessarily the lights, but it comes up a different disguise, which is a red and amber light. A red and amber light is for your traffic officers or traffic enforcement officers. Let me just repeat that. A red and amber light is for traffic officers or traffic enforcement officers. They're not police officers. These guys have no powers whatsoever. So the question normally comes up. Traffic officers operate on motorways and some primary routes in England and Wales. What are they authorized to do? They are only authorized to stop and direct anyone on the motorway. Their lights when they are moving is red and amber. When they come to a complete stop, the lights stay red to show it's a hot spot. So that is a red and amber light. So there's actually 4 lights, not 3, which most people think. So just to recap, you've got your yellows, which is your slow moving vehicles. You've got your greens, which is your doctor's cars. You've got your blues, which is your emergency services. Remember, human life only. And then you've got your red and amber, which is your traffic enforcement officers that don't have any legal powers. Hopefully you got some value from that, so you're now a little bit clearer on your flashing beacons or flashing lights. If you did, like, comment below and subscribe. YouTube's going to show you a video here. I'm going to show you a video here. Go off and watch which one's relevant to you, and I shall catch you in the next video.